Hey, it's Antonella. Welcome to Solutions That Sell, the Power of Solving Problems. It's very important to solve people's problems. People love people who help them. So your videos, as we said, they need to solve a problem. How are we going to get there? First, you're going to create a YouTube channel. It's very easy to do. You have your Gmail account and you can pick a niche and set up your channel. I'm not going to go through that today. You're going to make videos that help. You're going to pick products where you're earning at least $80 or more because you want to be able to make this profitable quickly. And you can do it yourself, or you can outsource the work to like a service such as Fiverr.com. The product that you pick, it can be your own product. If you have your own products, start there. You know them better than anyone. Otherwise, choose an affiliate product, which is perfectly acceptable and perfectly fine. And it allows you to jump in quickly. You are going to post once a day. We discussed that in the past. Each post is going to provide value, and there'll be things such as reviews, demos, that type of thing. We're not selling, we're providing value. And you are going to do this every day for at least 7 to 30 days until your videos have ranked and you've started to get that traffic. You are going to show how your product solves a problem. You're going to share how that product, addresses those issues. You're going to be honest and upfront about it. And people are going to click your link, and through that link, they're going to purchase. So this brings me to the power of those keywords that you're going to be using. You're going to need to do research. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You have to research, and you need to be able to identify what people are searching. What are the problems people are looking for? Because those are the ones that you want to actually address. So there are some free tools out there. Actually, the tool that I'm using is Keywords Everywhere, and it used to be free, and it is no longer free. In fact, they recently made a change where it now costs $10 per month per year, minimum to keep the tool. It used to be that you used up your credits, but no longer. So we're going to look for buyer keywords. What are buyer keywords? Buyer keywords are those keywords that people use when they're ready to purchase a product. So those buyer keywords mean that our conversions, meaning the people who click on our videos to watch them, are more interested in purchasing. So what are those keywords? Reviews, comparisons, how-tos. Those are generally people who are looking for how to buy what something does. So the YouTube program that I'm a part of is getting 50% conversions, so that's pretty good. And that leads us into how does this translate into profit? How does this translate into money? So we're going to do some quick math here. Your videos show up on the top of search results. People are searching for things that show their intent to purchase a product. Your thumbnail, because it's going to be very cool, is going to capture their attention. And then this is the math. So we're going to put out at least 10 videos. Those videos are going to build that trust. If you assume that you can get at least 2 clicks on each of those 10 videos every day, chances are you'll get more clicks. However, because you picked keywords that a lot of people are searching. But let's start simple. 2, so 2 times 10 is 20 clicks a day. And we have that 50% conversion. So half of that is 10. And we pick a product that's earning us $80. So now we're at $800 a day. That math adds up pretty quickly. I wouldn't say no to $80 a day, right? I don't think you would either. So this is really important to summarize it. We're doing the Google search. They are going to your video, which has provided trust, and they're going to click your link and buy because they've searched for something that they want to buy. They trust you. And now your link offers them something, and they're going to purchase off of you. So comment below. I'd love to know, are you promoting your own products, or are you doing some type of affiliate marketing or some other type of service like that? Your pro tip, remember, if you don't want to make videos like I'm doing today, you don't have to. You can outsource some of this. And there's a tool out there called Vidnami, and that tool allows you to enter a script and a voice reads it. It sounds very realistic, which is a little creepy, but it works. I'd love for you to sign up for my 10-day free email course. So allow you to build your business and to get ranked on YouTube and Google. Tomorrow we'll talk about the affiliate path to profits. We're going to make some money. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit my subscribe to my channel and the notify bell for notifications. Have a great day. I needed to add one additional thing to this video, that any results implied or mentioned in this video are not typical. I'm not implying that you will duplicate them or that you will not duplicate them, either way, because your results will depend on so many factors: your background, the level of effort that you're willing to put into this, and so many other factors as are outlined on this screen. So I don't want you to think that you will be able to produce these results. They are used solely as a way of demonstrating the information that I am sharing.